In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check demographics in Google Analytics 4. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your audience insights and how to read them so you can make smarter marketing and content decisions. First, open your browser and go to analytics.google.com. Sign in with your Google account and make sure you're looking at the correct account and GA4 property for your site or app. If you manage multiple properties, double check the selector at the top so the data you're about to see matches the right project. Next, look to the left-hand navigation and click Reports. This area holds your standard reporting views and will be your main workspace for understanding user behavior. You'll land on an overview, but we want to quickly surface the demographics report without digging through menus. From here, click Library. The library is where GA4 organizes report collections and makes it easy to find specific reports. It's especially useful if your left menu has been customized or if you're new to the layout and want a direct path to what you need. Now, move to the search bar at the top and type the word demographic. The global search will scan available reports and surface the relevant options. This is the fastest way to get straight to your audience insights without browsing through folders. In the search results, click Demographic Details. This opens the core demographics report in GA4. Here, you'll see a table and charts that break down your users by attributes such as country and city, and when available, age, gender, language, and interests. At the top right, use the date range selector to choose the period you want to analyze, like the last 7, 28, or 90 days, or a custom range for campaigns. Within the report, you can change the primary dimension to view data by country, region, age, or gender. You can also add comparisons, such as contrasting two countries or age groups, to see how engagement, conversions, or revenue differ. If you need to refine the view, apply filters to exclude internal traffic or focus on a particular segment. Pay attention to key metrics like active users, engaged sessions, average engagement time, conversions, and total revenue, depending on your setup. A quick tip: if age, gender, or interests don't appear, they may be limited by privacy thresholds or require additional settings like Google Signals and proper consent. GA4 will indicate limited data with a shield icon or notes in the interface. That's it, you found and read the demographic details report in GA4. Use these insights to prioritize markets, tailor messaging, and optimize your campaigns with confidence.